Hey, welcome to AI Design Mentor. Today I'm going to share with you creation of image, and especially which is based on this theme. I'm going to share with you this prompt which I'm using to create this fantastic image. So here is a lady, a female. So she's wearing oversized or a giant flower on her dress, or a dress made out of this flower. There are bright accent colors and a little bit explanation about what kind of person or personality this is supposed to be. And she's wearing red lipsticks. And of course, there is a lot of luxury quotients, whimsical and elegance and modern fashion cues in the images. These are the expected attributes in this image generation. So here I'm using Leonardo, the flow. So when I given this command or the prompt, and if you see, it started creating these lovely looking images. Okay. And of course, this able to kind of generate somewhat close. This flow, Leonardo, is meant to kind of show you a lot of these variety of image generated very quickly. So there are many ways you can generate images in Leonardo. One is by using flow, which I'm demonstrating here. Another is your traditional way you give your text and then ask to generate image, it will generate. In the flow, what is the advantage of flow? Flow is something, it just throws different images on that particular topic, and it gives variety, illustration, photorealistic, and sometimes it creates something which you never thought. So again, this is very good in terms of exploration when you are doing a brainstorming. So you never know which strikes your attention, which you might feel useful for your project. So here I can see it's very wonderful lighting and color, and especially this dress. It's subtle, but at the same time it carries that giant flower communication. So the few more creation it did, this one is good, but only the problem is the background is gaudy. These are different techniques. Again, this is a kind of illustration style. Let me go further. The more and more I'll start scrolling, and it will start generating images. Okay, so it could be photograph, it could be illustration. It's basically, you don't have much control. It just keep on generating and throwing at you. You look at it and see which works best. Once again, it's just throwing a lot of these images. You have to take a call which works best for you. One facility this has, for example, if I like a particular style, I can ask the computer to generate similar images. This AI helps you explore all the possibilities. Once you narrow, you can go deep into that style and discover more. For example, I'll just share with you one example here, how if I like anything, I want to go deep into it. Just give me a minute. Still, I'm not finding an image which kind of coming close to what I'm thinking. Maybe this one, but that doesn't have the dynamism I'm looking for. Sometimes you may not get, sometimes you get what you want, but having a patience is important. You know that you surely get it, but sometimes you get it quickly, sometimes you get it after searching several rounds. For example, I like this. I say that more like this, in the sense when I click that, it starts generating images which are closer to that particular composition or style. So that's more photographic and mid shot, and where that person is wearing, but I'm not happy with that. I might go back, and then I might select something else. Okay, so let's see, is there any other thing which I like, because I'm not finding any image which is closer. This something is, let's see how many it's able to generate, because I'm almost exhausted my tokens. So yes, it's able to generate interesting images. Let me show you a few more close-ups. This is photorealistic illustration. Of course, it is not a true human photograph. Anyway, you got the gist of it, how you can take advantage of Leonardo to create images, and those images can become part of your storytelling, or you can make use of them for your commercial purposes. Thanks for listening.